Wow, I'm so nervous right now. How do I start this? I don't know. I haven't done this in a while. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a minute, but we're not going to talk about that. We're just going to get on with the video. Before we get started with the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos of mine. Today I will be doing an exciting skincare unboxing and haul video. I got some products sent to me from a good friend of mine and I'm excited to show you guys what I received because I don't know what I received. I've been waiting to open this package for like a month or so because I wanted to save my first impressions for the video. So I'm really excited, and I also got some stuff from the face shop, so I'm going to show you guys that as well. It is winter right now and my skin is suffering, so expect some more skincare videos coming your way soon. I will be showing you guys my skincare routine and I'll be telling you guys my tips on how I keep my skin hydrated during the winter season. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's get on to the video. Man, I'm such a noob. This is from my friend's new company called Cosrx, and it's basically a retailer of Korean skincare products and Korean skincare brands. So I will link their website down below. Shout out to my friend for being so generous and so patient with me. Thank you so much for sending these. This is my first time receiving something and talking about it on my channel. I just want to quickly say that anytime I do any sponsored videos or sponsored content, just know that I will always give my 100% honest opinion, and I will only do sponsored content that actually fits with my channel and what I talk about and what I love to talk about. Just wanted to quickly say that before we do this. Alright, so let's open it. So from this cute box, oh, there's a little card for me. Oh, it's so nicely wrapped. So it's wrapped in tissue paper and it's purple. It's got the little Cosrx sticker right here. I already see something that I've been wanting. Ooh. The first thing that I see here is something I've been wanting to try for a really long time. This is the COSRX, I think that's how you say it. It's their acne pimple master patch. Now these are like one of those things that it's like a sticker that you put on your pimple, and I think you're supposed to leave it overnight and it's supposed to heal your pimple or just take the swelling away and stuff. So I'm really excited to try it because I've never tried one of these products and I heard that this one is good. I've seen some people review it, so I'm excited to really try this. This is exciting for me. At the moment I use the Mario Badescu drying lotion for small pimples and stuff, and it's okay, so I'm keen to see how this works. Maybe it could be better. Next are the sheet masks. Oh, I really like this packaging. This is from Master Lab, and this one I got the Intensive Moisturizing Ceramide Mask. You guys know I love my sheet masks, so I'm very excited to try this out. We have the Intensive Skin Soothing Mask. Look at this packaging, it's actually really cute. We have the Intensive Brightening Mask. Oh, that's great. He gave me 2 brightening masks. That's awesome because brightening is my focus with my skincare routine. I need to check on this video to make sure I'm not being a super noob. Break time. Things are looking great, so let's continue. Break is over. Wow, this jacket it looks massive, but it's an extra small. I'm very confused. Oh, okay, the next product is the INNISFREE Green Tea Seed Serum. Interesting, green tea. I heard that green tea is really good for hydration, I'm pretty sure, and for acne, I guess, because it's anti-inflammatory. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It looks like this. Ooh, and you get a lot. This is 80 mils, which is awesome, and the cap has a protector on it, which is nice. Okay, so it claims to deliver hydration and antioxidants from a balanced blend of Jeju green tea extract and green tea seed oil for sufficiently hydrated skin and a healthy looking glow. Alright, I'm just gonna try it out on my hand. Oh my god, it smells so good. It's so fresh. It's like something that you would smell at a spa. It's quite watery, which is expected. Serums are usually a little bit more watery and liquidy. This is how you're supposed to apply a serum. I'm not joking, this is really how you're supposed to apply your serum. If you guys don't know what serums are, they're basically skincare products with concentrated ingredients that target specific problem areas in your skin. So you usually have like anti-aging serums or brightening serums or hydrating serums, and they are usually quite expensive because of the obviously high concentration. In my opinion, if you're going to invest in one thing in your skincare routine, it should be a serum, since it's supposed to actively change your skin cells because the ingredients are that concentrated. So it's rare that you have a serum that kind of does everything, but most serums will give you a boost of hydration as well. But this one, I'm assuming, is like its main purpose is hydration. Wait, this is 80 mils. Yes, this is actually a lot. This is more than double of my serum. Next, we have another Innisfree product. This is the minimum toner for sensitive skin. Western toners and Asian toners are completely different. Western toners are, it's like a watery liquid, and you put it on a cotton pad and you're supposed to wipe your face after you wash your face. It's basically like an extra step to making sure that your skin is clean. Asian toners are completely different. They're supposed to be like a pre-hydration step, so you put it on right after you wash your face, but the purpose of it is to hydrate, not to clean the skin. So that's why most Western toners also have alcohol in them, and that's why you use like a cotton pad, because you want to clean the skin, and that's why it also tends to like strip your skin from moisture because the alcohol dries out your skin. Asian toners are completely different. This one is a spray one. Some are more thick in consistency, some are more watery, like this one where you just spray your face. Ooh, this is all perfect for right now because my skin is so dry right now. So it comes in this little spray bottle. It is 45 mils. A mild toner that soothes and hydrates sensitive skin and fortifies the skin barrier. Okay, so you're supposed to spray it after you cleanse. Spray it 3 to 4 times onto your face and gently pat to allow formula to absorb into the skin. Interesting. Ooh, kind of like water. But this is a more lightweight toner. Wait, I don't know if that's the smell from the serum or from this. The next thing I have, oh, this is the COSRX Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. So I am currently using a foam cleanser, which I really shouldn't, because foam cleansers are the ones that strip your skin the most from moisture. Gel cleansers are perfect for combination skin or even dry skin because they clean your skin, but they don't strip all the moisture from your skin, so your skin isn't like super dry after you wash your face, which is nice, especially during this time. Okay, so it's formulated with purifying botanical ingredients. This low pH formula works to soothe, refresh and soften the skin without the stripping feeling. I actually might switch to this. I might try this out tonight. There's not really a smell. I just want to take some out just so there's no smell, because it's not bloody open. Honestly, I question myself sometimes. Oh wow, this smells a bit funny. Okay, this is fragrance free because yeah, this smells a little bit weird, but nonetheless I will try it out. Okay, so that is everything that I received from K Cosmetics. Thank you to my friend for giving me all these wonderful products and giving me skincare, because he knows that I really only know about skincare. I don't know anything about makeup, but they do also sell makeup products as well if you guys are interested. So they mainly sell Innisfree and COSRX, and I think they sell MISSHA as well, which is a really great BB cream that I used to use ages ago. It's honestly such a great BB cream, so I will link their website down below for you guys to suss out. So with all of these products, I will be trying all of them out, and whichever ones I really like and I want to share with you guys, I will most likely include them in my next favorites video. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys the stuff that I got for myself recently. I will start with L'Occitane. This is their Reine Blanche brightening serum, and this is my old one, which I still kept. This was my first serum ever. This is the only serum I've ever tried, and I really enjoyed it, so I just went ahead and repurchased it. This is supposed to brighten, and I feel like it did. I actually feel like it really did help my skin. It was definitely a gradual process, but with the help of my other products in my routine, this fitted perfectly. And I love the fragrance of this whole collection. It smells divine. This is 30 mils, but it did last me a while. It lasted me for about 7 months, which is really good. I use this morning and night, so I definitely got my use out of it. Next, I went to the face shop. I usually go there for sheet masks, so I just got a refill my usual, and I love sheet masks, you guys. They are the quickest way to get that glow, that hydration into your skin. It's just amazing what a sheet mask can do. So I love the face shop ones. They do the job, and they're only like $2 each. So I usually buy the rice ones, which are targeted towards brightening, and I also buy the aloe vera ones, which are for like irritated skin, problematic skin. This is great for like that time of the month. So the lady also gave me a free Lindsay one, which I'm assuming is new. This has mushroom stem extract, which is supposed to be firming. I'm not too sure how this will smell, to be honest. That was nice of her to throw this in, but yeah, these are the ones that I usually get, and I love them. Alrighty, so that is all for my skincare haul and unboxing video. I feel like my camera is a bit slanted. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys are excited to see my next skincare video or skincare routine, give me a thumbs up so I know, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos of mine. Thank you guys always for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.